Over the last few weeks, I've been using my table saw a bit more, but there are still times when I really prefer to use the track saw. Recently, I received a commission to build a countertop and base for one of my friends' homes, and I finished the glow up, and now I have to cut the sides because they're uneven. In this case, given its width, it would have been really difficult to use a miter sled or crosscut sled with my table saw, so the track saw was the obvious choice. Because one side of the countertop was already straight, I was able to take my TSO square from my track and just butt it up against there and then make a straight cut. And another thing that makes this enjoyable is it's not awkward at all to cut this, where I think on the table saw it just wouldn't have been as comfortable. I have definitely come to the opinion that it's good to have both a table saw and a track saw, because while there is overlap, there's a lot of things that the table saw can do that the track saw can't, and a lot of things the track saw can do that the table saw can't. And so for me, both of them have a place in my shop. I would love to hear your experiences, so leave a comment below.